Hello, guys. My name is Nathan, and I'm the founder and CEO of Indux, a productivity software that helps people plan their workflows and stay more productive while using Google Chrome. If you're watching this video, it's because I need beta testers right now. And so I'm going to be walking through the steps on how to use Indux the most efficiently so you can understand how to use the software so it can actually benefit you. All right, so if you open Google right here, and if you have an account with Indux downloaded, then you can just click on that. I'm just going to use this account for example. So as you see here, you see well, look who it is. My username is Bud, so it's going to show up with your name there, whatever. And this is pretty much the work session / workflow kind of tab. This opens on every single window open. So if you have multiple windows open, this is going to pop up and you can just exit out of it, but this contains customized workflows that you make. So for example, one of my workflows on here is coding, because as a programmer and a developer, I use coding a lot. So this is one of my workflows. This is the name of the workflow, coding, and then all the websites correlated with it. And then with that, you just click, choose workflow strategy, and then you can choose like a flow chart if you choose multiple workflows at the same time, or a Pomodoro method, and you choose the time. This is still not super functionality. Like you will see on the extension, I'll point it out later, you will be able to see your time for what you've put in for the Pomodoro timer, but there will be no timer present, but you see what is inputted here. So yeah, so pretty much, you already saw, you just click start workflow, and because I already accidentally exited it, it loaded 2 pages. But yeah, so it opens all your tabs for you. So these are, all the tabs I use or whatever for coding stuff. So let's go to the website here. So here's the front page, workindux.co. This is where the dashboard is. So you're just going to go here and you're going to click login. If you do not have the Chrome extension downloaded, then downloading it right here is what I would recommend, or else you'll get nothing out of the software. So, right, you just click the little add to Chrome button, and it says it can read and change all your data on websites. Pretty much reading and changing data on websites, all it's doing is the reading and changing is if you go on a bad website that's on your bad website list, there will be a pop-up that says, hey, this is an unproductive website. And then changing your data, it's like the same thing. So you just add extension right there, and then boom, it's right there, and you can check it out. I have 2 of these actually, but you can check it out right here. You can log in. Let me just log in real quick. So I'm all logged in here, and as you can see, we did choose the Pomodoro method with the 25 minutes on, 5 minutes break, and the coding workflow, which I will show in a second. It shows the current productivity score right here. So I am having issues with loading the productivity score on here and showing it up on the chart. There's just an issue transferring the data from the Chrome extension to the back end here. But if you do want to know your true productivity score and all that stuff, you can just check right here, and this will always give you the complete accurate productivity score. This one right here it's always going to say 100. I need to fix it, and with you guys beta testing, there will be fixes and changes in the future, but again, it's just something I need to work on. So now here are the metrics. So again, I'm going to tidy this up, but this is also going back months. So the first day I had Indux downloaded and tracking all this stuff on this specific account was in May. So this has pretty much been tracking all my websites since then. So like on here, for example, you can see this is actually the Chrome extension name. So if you see any long string of characters on here, this is actually what the Chrome extension is titled. So if you're freaked out about that, I'm sorry, but I can't really change it. It's just like the idea of it. There's ChatGPT, Python Anywhere, Stripe, Claude, and you can see all the times for here. As you see, yesterday, for example, or sorry, the day before yesterday, I was on, University of Montana, and then ChatGPT, and then just other stuff. So that's kind of your metrics page. That's another resource you can use. And also here, I just want to point out, this is also messed up. It in the future, it will work where it will display your total work time, your average work time per days, all of the like the amount of time you've had on bad websites, and the most common bad websites. But again, transferring the data it's proven difficult. And so right here are your workflows. So it's going to load, but we'll just talk about the bad websites for now. So I have a preset list of around, I think, 85 or 87 bad websites that typically people go on and get distracted. If you use one of the websites in this list, then of course you can remove it or whatever. So let's say you do like marketing on Instagram, you can just click the X right there, or you need to use YouTube or Facebook or anything like that. You can just click anything right there, and then you can just save changes, and then all of a sudden those websites are no longer on the bad website list. And if you go on those websites, they won't do anything. But if you do go on a bad website, which Reddit is a bad website, and we'll pull up with this. So you see your focus mode. Hi, it seems like you're trying to access Reddit, and then pulls up a little quote, and then you can just click X here and then exit focus mode. Okay, I guess that's not working. This will be changed. This will be changed quite shortly. If you do need to access a website through this, then you're just going to have to go on the bad website list, remove that website. So if we go in here, we go to Reddit real quick, and then we go to save changes, and then just refresh this. Then you should be able to go on here, no problems. Especially if it's something you use all the time, like maybe YouTube, and you post content and stuff like that. Again, it's just these little things are just getting worked through, and it's really a struggle to get everything perfect. But I think what I have right now is good enough to give to people. Anyways, so here are the workflows. So I already have these workflows set, but they're not going to be set when you get them. And so you need to create the workflows. So whatever workflows you might have, all you need to do is you need to come up with like a workflow name. So like if you're an email marketer or something, just be like marketing, and then put down you use Gmail, you use ChatGPT, you use ActiveCampaign, you use all that stuff. And then once you just clicked submit, then it will pull up as a box in here. And so if I were to do a new one, this is not really a workflow, but let's just like put some like AI things in here. Just to show you an example. So here, and then ChatGPT, and then we'll just do these two for now. So now the workflow is added successfully. And so if we go here and open up a new window, as I said, there will be a new pop-up, and it's probably just loading because I just deleted everything and then added this. It might take a little bit of time for this to refresh with the actual pop-up, but yeah, here it is. So you can see AI, you can see this stuff right here, and then you can choose the workflow strategy just like before. And if you change the time or anything like that and you start workflow, it will open those two websites right there. And then here you will see the new Pomodoro method and all that stuff. So besides that, I guess there's one more thing of the profile. I'm going to remove this stuff. This is just part of the template, and so this is going to be removed before you guys sign up. But this is just profile information, just email, username. This is your subscription information. I just kind of have this for testing purposes, but if you would like to know any of that stuff, there it is. I'm trying to think. I think that's most of the pages I've gone through, because we have, the biggest pages are the workflow pages, so the pop-up like here, and then also the bad website stuff. Those are the two main pages, and then also this one as well, where you can see your productivity score, all the websites you've been on. If you're on a bad website, It'll pop up here if you're on it for over a minute. But yeah, that's pretty much what Indux is about. Thank you so much for following me through this whole video, and thank you for signing up for Indux. I really do appreciate it, and this testing is a huge portion of kind of the entrepreneurial journey with a software as a service. So I really do appreciate it. And yeah, if you have any questions, just email me at nathaniel@workindux.co, or you can text me. I bet most of you guys have my number. So yeah, all right. Thank you guys so much. All right. Bye-bye.